So I'm gonna share a hack with you. I just got this bike. I went over it from front to back, top to bottom. Couldn't find a single thing wrong with it. Not a chip, not a scratch, nothing except the spot. There's one spot on it where either a boot or a pant leg came to rest against the hot exhaust pipe and burned it. An imprint of some kind of fabric left on the chrome. Now that I've seen it, I cannot unsee it. It's the first place my eyeballs go to every time I look at the bike. Straight to that spot right there. That spot right there. Right there. And now that I've seen it, I can't unsee it. And it's occupying a space the size of Texas in my mind. So I heard of a hack, and there's all kinds of suggestions about how you can do this or that, but a good friend of mine, a biker friend, told me to get a penny that's pre-1982 and scrape it. The reason you want a penny that's pre-1982, I found a 1980, and that would probably work. But I figured since I was looking through pennies anyways, maybe I should find an older one, because the reason you want a 1982 or older penny is they had higher copper content than other ones. So I figured a penny from 1962 would probably have more copper in it than a penny from 1980. And I'm nervous about this, but I'm gonna give it a shot, and I'm gonna be careful because that's got to go. So wish me luck, and let's see if this works. I would say it's working, folks. Wow, I am amazed. I'll take a little chrome polish to that to get that light scratching out, but man, that did a good job. So there you have it, folks. If you got burnt goo on your chrome, get you a 1962 penny and get it going. I'll tell you what I do know, this penny is definitely going in my toolbox. That looks beautiful.